Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. This question belongs to GATE CSC 2019. The given question is the value of a 3 bar 51 mod 5 is. Okay, so I don't know exactly why or how did this question ended up in the question paper. But as we are having calculator in GATE, I think this question will not be an issue, right? I think if the calculator is having some limitation, like if I do 3 power 51, it will not give the result. So at that time, it will be a bit complex. But my normal calc is giving the result. And similarly, I think in GATE, the virtual calculator will also give, but I'm not sure about it. Okay, yes, you can test it, guys, because there are multiple apps which you can download and you can test, or you can directly type in Google also. TCS or any kind of GATE calculator, you will be getting the website. Okay, the TCS is officially having the calculator. Okay, yes. So I need to divide it by 5. Okay, so now I understood the issue. So basically once I divide it by 5, I got this as a result. So basically the advantage in GATE is we are already having the mod function in GATE, guys. I don't know, on this calculator also we should have mod function. Rand, okay, percentage pole. Is there I think it's not there, guys, because I searched once upon a time, but I did not find it. Okay, so just give me a second. If it is there, I will be just checking it. Okay, so I have just searched online, guys, but I did not find the exact thing, like how you can solve a mod function in calculator. Okay, so that's the reason why I just brought the GATE calculator. Okay, so this is the GATE calculator, guys. So you can click start and you need to rotate it in this way. Okay, so basically it is always better to directly try it on your computer, guys, rather than on your phone. So basically if you are trying to run it on your PC, you can just download the calculator, or there is also a web version. So basically they told 3 power. So always observe this carefully, guys. So power is here, power 51 is equals to, so this is the result. And now I need to perform mod. So here the mod function is there, mod 5. So the answer is 2. Got it? Yes. So I think 2 should be the answer, right? Yes. So 2 is the answer. That's it. So I don't know how did they give this question, that 2 in 2019, guys. It's not an old question, to be clear, right? Yes, I don't know how this question has ended up in the question paper. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? Yes. So this is the app, guys. If you want to show me the website, so just give me a second. So just give me a second. I'll opening in just 1 minute. So just type in Google GATE calculator 2020 or 2021, anything you can type. So the first website you will get is that only. So scientific calculator TCS Ion. Okay. So this is the app which I downloaded. So you will be getting the web version in this way, and even for PC you can download it also, guys. I don't know which website gave me that, but in my PC I am having this particular calculator and I will be using it also. Okay, yes. So you can directly use it here. It's a functional calculator, to be clear. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.